For years, this river has been both a source of life and a barrier. It separates this small community of Vunisaleka from the main road, the schools, the shops, and the health facilities beyond. For a long time, people here have had only one way across, a fragile, aging footbridge. Then a long-awaited change, an upgrade to what was the old footbridge. Through the recent coalition government's intervention, $36,000 was allocated to build a new footbridge, one that would finally make the crossing safe for everyone. For people here having to cross using an unsafe makeshift wooden planks, the risk of falling and drowning or injury was extremely high, especially during the rainy season when water levels would rise.
Na kaya may tekabutan kinatakatango. Siya na kaya may tarebutal na lima may kaukongo sa ando na bibukilip. May nangon na siyempre bisog kina ando na kaya nararapagin siya ni kaukongo. Bibiyarang na buli. Narando ngol na lebul na bimatakan na kabir na marama, narando takoso na lay takatakan na ngoli na istoa, na lay ngoli balimbula, so do ngoli tao ni do warabak na ikaw berarti ni sangat tu di batutur, bitongera na floa, misalnya do takaptonga ucinga bisau.
For a long time, community members had voiced their concerns about the deteriorating condition of the bridge, the rotting planks, the loose railings, and the constant danger posed by strong currents below. Yet, it wasn't until this tragic incident occurred that the full extent of the risk became undeniable.
Walu tu serakin loyo, mapasar tu akin lunggo. Malilidur tu baling pula, pakatawa sisu, pakatawa situ baling. Nonton ciri kawal. Dasaro may sukocike na doko na rural. Minista nguna. Pateke ndonor tu taban ni afari. Tu sabi pitalo cike membalatan awak. Yo sada tu no tu percen tu paru takut. Kalau serang lu sabi lu tu kida. Sangger tu bisu, yang orang tu bisu, saya bisu pinak. Saya bisu hari ni pinak na, untuk kana railing orang tu asing tak kabut. Yo saya tu cakap na lut, ni kami bisu, bukan kami bitarwo kami lut. Yang kami ada dalam bisu, orang tu siapa beri nasar apa nama tu. Ni kami sami pakai rambat tiga pakai lilai. Cuci bangani kena banggarabia, yang tu dah sendiri. Dona bibu katalang wala maya may baita bikin dona turangan ni capan may chugike kwa liutakan na taka amani bikin ako na bim chugera na bim ya sartong kay bagaruam na kana piso na floa
eu ronondul kachino wawa chimike tete ko mai se wabu kimem jengol mebe no ve kimruning gasimai na kenala yana kim sandulang kita kirangan ngoni buli ni rala kuchikeni.
Yo, vital bangan nongon ralutu, kona ni sonon santu ya pala na kau na floor. Apa pala na floor sa rerbakisara, vi nirdo tako sikil nongon kima misang ko ito ngwal na bimata kamera limpiusan kandua, lebar kinakap. Ya nangon muntangan ko. Sa anto na kalungat tutur kito kalungat ni ngwal may nabi bugang ko. Mo sa tabi sarakin na ni mami bula na bisinga. Nanon rabito saki, nani mambito sa kitchen bising ay ranguan na bimata ka na piyakabi na baka kinubira na maram nanon rabito saki.
Nakana may bisongo kuta may bikim na marulebu, bakim singilang tak sarvalebu non ralakulebu na rakiuda o si nan rakida, nitaw na uda kim sando lang tak non ratako somay. Yung go baka mi kim sa tunga kim sa Ralang ketek talungun sal sarsing lang ketek nawawi nanon retako sumay.
Minta tanda tu, lalu ni korol pun salah. Cuma mata tanda tak tu, mainan doa nangawan sal benak. Ni cikona waw makawa, ebung kesar sa pemawa teki kena. Setel lipai pualanga. dona nitongas lutu mavosar kina kada na uluna tursa pelimbula dona ngonelewa lutu talanga kina mavona pana akas talanga pelimbula yana wa makawa
Sibit na biksaw tikim sa dulang ketikira lubikibek. Nandra ngaitu. Ni terulundul cini kawalu mendengan angon alu tu kina uli sibi balimbula. Mun sa tengo kina bul narulundul cini kawalu. Arto ciusar na tabani vita bala vita. Berto vita bagasa ni nduangan na cikini kaubang. Asar kawa cikina ngoni bul mirliadite.
Mateo Taraindovu, a 64-year-old member of the community who has endured the challenges of crossing this river for more than 6 decades, says that the new footbridge represents far more than just a physical structure ensuring safe passage. To him, it signifies safety, access to education, healthcare, and a greater opportunity for his community.
Balatanukla na ona mandang tumbu dake tumiki no eu samba ke ono sa bukava que to ando tunga da kangor que me mindo la ko no wo un salape e bakando club na kana polisi mo matuntu na pepe la gor e bakando sa reloki barle ngunu kinor to mera no wai ko enron ngun sala pepo go sonu no mototuri no wa kau un sabu sona kau sa lutu na wa sonu no ki mbila ko lutu vatania ya son tam sonu no mabua ando ya same abandona ngono hakimami sa tuki da ke me bangu da ke no soranga ni buli akan ngarayi me na bu
Parents in the community of Vunisaleka can now finally breathe a long-awaited sigh of relief. For years, sending their children to school meant more than just a daily routine. It was an act of constant worry. Each morning, as children crossed the old footbridge suspended over the river, parents watched with anxious hearts, fearing what might happen if a plank gave way or a sudden downpour made the crossing slippery and treacherous. Today, that fear has been replaced with peace of mind. The new footbridge stands strong and secure, built with durable materials and reinforced safety features that ensure stability even during harsh weather conditions. It has transformed what was once a risky path into a reliable connection to education, healthcare, and opportunity. Parents no longer have to keep their children at home on rainy days or wait anxiously by the riverbank, hoping they make it safely to the other side.
Kirungol tumaya tumbal tunga maya varna alis da kerker melis tel binana ili wesen rinwa wal sa baka bay binak baka flow binak gay baka bay ambo tango magwena kasarana ni mo ito saki.
Community members here can now finally put the challenges and painful experiences of the past behind them. For years, the struggle to cross the old unsafe footbridge had been a daily reminder of neglect and hardship. With the completion of the new, well-constructed footbridge, that chapter has closed. The community can now move forward with confidence and pride, knowing that their safety and well-being have been prioritized. The new bridge not only connects the two sides of the river, but it reconnects people with hope, dignity, and a sense of belonging.
Some of our village members, community members, they've been hospitalized on the current, the old bridge that we used to have, the foot crossing, because of the size, and there were no railings. And even when it's slippery, when it's rained, it's more slippery. Even some happen to fall off. There was a young girl on her maybe 3 years old. She fell off one time there. Another woman, and a man did nearly take his life. So that is the condition of the bridge before we have the one that we currently have now.
The newly constructed footbridge, made possible through the assistance provided by the coalition government, has received an overwhelmingly positive response from all members of the community, from children to adults and the elderly, who now express their gratitude for a safer and more reliable means of crossing.
Nanga vina tamban matentu na nonra revi kimem tumen na tuwango na kim nanum kim tuwango biko kim singko ita gitu kim pamnan kim ko ita gitu mai kim nanum talanga mai na bukuni bubale baka kini berne sul.
O poso ulu nelo sama la ka toto to na ni to wa e bun sala ka nangono enda vector ling talu tu nangai la ko.
I can see the change in the community, like it kind of lift up the morals in community work, and especially for those who are going to use, especially we use the bridge every day. For us, it's safer now. When we want to go shopping, when we want to go schooling, and even working, it's much safer, convenient, and it's we say we are blessed. We are blessed to have a new bridge that we have right now.
More than 300 members of the community, including over 60 students, will directly benefit from the newly constructed footbridge in Vunisaleka, which now provides safe, reliable, and all-weather access to schools, markets, health facilities, and the main road.
So I want to take this time to thank the Bono Kalabu na turang na Lilinusa for the great help, especially our Madam Linda Tambuya with the government of the day and the PA Netashiri together with DO and all government hands that they help, and especially the big value to the community. They are the one that they build the bridge. It was funded by the government, but they are the one that build the bridge. They are the one that they are labor.
Ibun salah, membun rol tu mikir orang kan ibu kena mati tu, memang bang pun rere ke ibun salah nasi ini. Memang tu kena boleh silis, minta tongan orang tu, lepas kau ni pun nak, saya lupa sahabat tu kan.
For generations, people living in the village of Vatukuca in the province of Vakaundrove have been on the front lines of natural disasters. Due to its location in the Vatukuca district, which is known for being remote and prone to cyclones and floods, every significant downpour has meant a life-altering threat to their homes and community. With the effects of natural disasters growing more severe, recent projects have been implemented to improve resilience, including the construction of an evacuation center in Vatukuca. The new center was officially opened by Assistant Minister for Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management, Honorable Chovesa Bodea.
Aklani sama ibo tukana taki singa vina kanikua nasa tanra ya nanu iboli mana tuan mau nombala kau baka vina vinaka ina wana matri tuleku orea ena kena vo ila botai na to vale ni ronro rauta di bikunan rau wana sunga bulu nondol van rau katolu nandola kena isau ila wa kita talanga wana songo International Organization for Migration IOM kena bola ni talabe kena boliku kena tuvani mga matau na programo ni Tarvale kena buki televi kasikobi meadova na kena bokabari ena vida na madao sauti
vida na mpaki sauti libu ni sonangona ni nrakibisau ndo sotabo na koro Vatukuca glani libu sarana ni tungase sotabo na ndendre nonra kau nongone erna tabi mate erna mulmulumu erna loki ina nonra kau ina bono merle baruru ikor ni buli unsul salu na yawa ni unsala mena ni tokore Vatukuca me ade unsul salu klani via 1 kilomita yoti mi kimi mingendo warakati kona lori me ade mai merawa wabondo kina tamata sono ngauna sanda umbera saya ade manlu runon dolu kabitu klani ade dona lugu no kor Vatukuca klani ya pololo matak serpada na kor na lumu kor Vatukuca go seng sarang ndona e vali kin dona vale kalau ngata ngani singen dona boleh nin dona leni kore vali asa tiuna sasanga na kawai na bungkuni lenga sotabi tingan lumu kor amun me pada barsar kin na kata ni kena runa kati me boti na nendonro niku na singa maruta kina koro Vatukuca corona na matangalo nanti na kena sa merau tunggu ento na yeulebu.
Equipped with essential amenities, this evacuation center is not only a place of refuge during natural disasters, but also a place to build businesses and grow together as a community.
kurang kena marama na kena tara na vale ni ronro tiki di tuba ni nomoni matel tuba wat kena sangai me valuti na regu ni rakibisau ina lenga tumbu kosu esa tarati kona nonda benua kemina kurang kena marama esa indivitiko ni nonda tu vale bobo ni senga olenga ni vale ni ronro ere o ni bangata kitelanga me vale ni bosi se me vale ni baka tumbu bisisi bikenda kame na bukea na vivo torre taki ina mbula mo ilau ena nonda tu benua se agana bakatiko ena kena boso baka pertania multi-purpose evacuation center esa ise talatinga beka ni vale ni ronro estarai baka matau ka okatikina anon ngangare oira ni tambagasi oira na valga itu bakini ngonra oira na marama bosu ngone ka katangakina veira na sulsul.
The new evacuation centre stands as a symbol of resilience, a space designed not only for safety during disasters, but as a hub for learning, community gatherings and preparedness activities throughout the year. Implemented by the International Organization for Migration, IOM, in partnership with the National Disaster Risk Management Office and the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management, and Save the Children, Fiji and Korea. This project is part of strengthening national and community resilience to disaster management and displacement. The Evacuation Centre is a Category 5 cyclone resilient structure designed with inclusion and accessibility in its mind. Its features include wash facilities with 7 toilets and 4 showers and 6 hand washing stations, a fully equipped kitchen with gas stoves, range hood and food preparation areas, a child-friendly space and area for learning and psychosocial support.
The new Vatukuca Multipurpose Evacuation Center serves as a testament to community spirit, government partnership, and the unwavering resilience of the people of the Condrove.
Yes, I'd like to thank the government of the day. I believe they were all part and parcel of this successful of the building of the evacuation center and also two major sponsors that really help us financially in order for us to have this evacuation center open. From South Korea, Republic of South Korea, and also IOM. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.